So what's up, guys? I know it's been a while, but I'm here with the new car, the Civic. So basically I put the black one back to stock. I found this one for sale, and I've always wanted a white one again. I had one back in high school and I really missed it, so I found this one, so the black one, and then got this white one, which is pretty clean. It's super dirty, like it's physically super dirty, but cleaner than the black one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So this is the new build. Has these wheels. I don't like them at all. So I basically got this car. It had, prior to me getting it, had this wrapped in like some fake carbon fiber without the wing, so it was wingless. And I took that off because it looked disgusting. Added the wing back. So all I gotta do is take off this wrap because it's all cracked and stuff. I like how the black roof looks, but it's old and faded. And I'm gonna remove the visors. What I did do, I did swap the cluster face thing to the Type R one from the old Civic, and I stole the, whatever those are called, the door inserts from it too, and I put the radio. So it's basically kind of like the other Civic, completely interior wise, and just the shift knob is stock. Has a Mugen shifter, but yeah, it looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna change those wheels. So I'm deciding if I wanna stance it out or if I wanna do a more track inspired build. This is super dirty. It's been sitting. Yeah, I'm excited. So just subscribe to the channel, comment what you think I should do. Should I go more track style, or should I just go the stanced out route and do the same thing with the camber, stretch the wheels? And I'm debating if I should go on coilovers or I should go air on this setup. And while making this video yesterday, they hit the daily. My girlfriend called me. She's like, somebody hit your car. So look at this. Somebody hit the corner of the car. It's not bad, it's just a bumper. But apparently they were here in a pickup backing up or pulling out, and the lady didn't pull out completely. So now I'm gonna go head over to a body shop to see how much they charge, because the guy's gonna pay to get it fixed. Just a bummer, but let's get out.